Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get mirror in Heartopia so you can easily customize your appearance. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have already placed this mirror at my house, and then we can use the mirror to change our appearance. For example, we can change our skin tone, change hairstyle, eyebrows, eyes, and so on. If you want to get mirror guys, you need to craft it. I'm going to show you the recipe to craft mirror. Okay, this is the mirror recipe, and you will need three crafting materials. The first one is timber, the second one is stone, and then the last one is quality timber. Make sure that you have already collected the materials, and then you can go to the crafting tables, click on this icon, and then select mirror, and then you just need to click on craft right here. Oh, I've already crafted a mirror, and now I'm crafting it again. So I have two mirrors at my house. Thank you guys, and that's how you can get mirror in Heartopia game to easily change your appearance. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!